When PGA Cars, the exclusive distributor of Audi in the Philippines, entered the small premium crossover genre with the Q3, it instantly turned heads with its head-turning design and efficient performance. But with a desire to constantly improve its offerings, Audi has presented us this new and improved Q3 for 2017.
From a single glance, you know that the Audi Q3 screams quality. It's premium from tip to stern with its coupe-like lines and the use of horizontal motifs that help emphasize its width. It's a truly expressive design with a trademark single-frame grille and new headlights with Xenon Plus technology and LED daytime running lights. At the back, the wraparound tailgate remains truly characteristic of the model, and fitted with undivided LED taillights produce a sporty, upscale look. The Audi Q3 is powered by a 1.4-liter TFSI engine that delivers 150 horsepower and 250 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 6-speed S-tronic dual-clutch automatic transmission for smooth and quick shifts. In typical Audi fashion, the Q3 combines safe and agile handling. The suspension is made of forged and cast aluminum that not only improves handling, but reduces the main enemy of performance, weight. The same story is found on the hood and tailgate, which are also made of aluminum. This premium compact SUV is fitted with 17-inch tires, striking the perfect balance between comfort and sport. The Audi Q3 features vented discs in front and solid discs at the rear, with the electromechanical parking brake integrated into the rear brake system. In addition, the latest evolution of the electronic stabilization control, or ESC, incorporated in the new Q3 is even more sensitive and versatile. Inside, the new Audi Q3 1.4 TFSI has plenty of room, with high-quality workmanship and a clean, ergonomic design that reinforce its premium status. It offers an all-black leather interior and comes equipped with Audi's MMI infotainment system. And despite its small stature, the Q3 also boasts of a large trunk capacity, which can grow 4 times when the rear seats are folded flat.
The 2017 Q3 is truly the premium Audi SUV in a compact form. It's sporty, efficient, and versatile, a great urban vehicle that is equally at home on or off the road.